Yo, we are back with anatomical analogies, and we're talking about the structural organization of living organisms. So what the hell does that mean, first off, the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Tissue are two or more cells working together, so it's another step up. Organ is two or more similar tissues with similar functions or structures working together, so another leg up. Organ system is two or more, you guessed it, organs that have similar functions and similar structures working together. So all the bones work together in the skeletal system, for instance, and then an organism, bringing all this together into this beautiful organism here. But it's all the organ systems working together to function as an organism, and we'll learn about the functional characteristics of an organism soon, but we're talking about the structural organization of a living organism now. So think of the cell as one blade of grass. It's one blade of grass. Think of the tissue, so combining them all together, or a group of them together, is blades of grass working together to form one backyard. So we're going from one blade of grass, the cell, to the tissue, which is one or all of the blades of grass in one backyard. Think of an organ as the front and backyards forming the complete yard of a house. So it's the tissues working together, it's the front and backyard grass working together, and then an organ system is all of the complete yards of houses on one entire block. So on your whole street, look, all the front and backyards, all the complete yards of grass are going to be comparable or analogous to an organ system. And then last but certainly not least is an organism. That's all of the complete yards, the front and back yards, all of the complete yards on every block of each house in the entire neighborhood. So we're not talking about just one block, we're not talking about just one well, actually, let's start smart. We're not talking about one blade of grass, we're not talking about one front yard, we're not talking about one complete front and backyard, we're not talking about one complete block of yards, we're talking about all of the yards in the complete neighborhood, and that is akin to an organism. So it just branches up, the cell to the tissue, tissues to the organ, organ to the organ system, organ to the organism, and then you just fly away as an organism there. But see you all back here soon.